I'm pretty sure by now you've already heard statements like robots are going to take over, AI is going to take over humans, jobs, or whatever. They're just going to take over. Well, I'm going to say the opposite. Robots are not even close to taking over humans. I mean, they are not going to be close for a very long time. And I'm saying this because I've seen some robots out there. Most of these robots that are going to take over humans out there, and yeah, it is not that impressive. They are not going to take over humans at all. Let's just watch some of the robots, the best robots out there. Let's see what you. Where is he going? He just destroyed that glass.
Stop! What are you doing? That's my mirror. What are you doing? Stop! Stop! One of your units just ran into my mirror and is causing damage. I'm a little worried. That's not gonna work. Oh my god. I need you to cook me a meal. I need protein. It needs to be healthy. It's a gas stove. Be careful. No, 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 no. That's a weight. That's a weight. There's weight here. Stop. Settle down. So if you can cook me the meal, I'm gonna go on and play Fortnite. Okay? See ya.
How can you even leave robot to cook something? I feel like he already knew what this robot was going to do. He already. And this is just the first one. Let's see the second one, and the third one is going to be more crazy. Okay, this one is trying to attack somebody on the road. The robots are already pulling humans in 2025. I wouldn't say that is bullying though. You can kick it with one leg and it will just fall somewhere and not be able to wake up. It's I feel like this at this point they have programmed it to do what it's doing. Or someone is controlling the strings behind the camera and trying to do these punches that it is doing. But the most interesting part I wanted to talk about is Neo.
It's here.
The company 1X just released this robot called Neo. So Neo is supposed to be this household robot that is going to help you with all your house chores, things that you don't want to do or it just feels like a waste of time for you, like washing your clothes, like cleaning the house, folding your clothes, cleaning dishes, and arranging the house. So that is what Neo is supposed to do, help you around the house. So they just released this robot for 20K one-time payment or $500 monthly subscription. Point is, the idea is very fantastic. It's very good, especially to people who are elderly, people who are not able to move around the house like that. Yeah, Neo can help a lot if it was good, but the current version is too far from the idea of what it's supposed to do. I mean, what it can do versus what they aim for it to do. I feel like this thing is not even ready because from the video they showed about this, a lot of people will think that what they saw Neo doing in the video is what Neo can actually do. But almost all of those things Neo did in the video was being controlled by another person in another room. And the reason why I said so is because while I was watching the introductory video of this Neo robot, I saw another video by Joanna Sten, and she said in that video that almost everything Neo did in that video, 100% of what Neo did in that video was being controlled by another person. Even when talking to Neo, another person was talking to Neo. The person controlling Neo was the one talking to Neo. It's interesting. And so it's clearly that this robot is not ready for the market. So why are they selling it at 20K? I mean, why are they selling it if it's not ready? And the idea is they want to get more data to be able to train this robot Neo, because the more they sell it out to different people with different house arrangement, with different type of houses, with different environment, the more data they will collect in order to train this robot, so that yeah, they will be able to navigate any kind of environment, any kind of house arrangement. So that's the point. But if anybody is buying one of these robots, it means they will be sacrificing also their privacy, because anywhere Neo goes and anything Neo sees, the company also sees and collect that data. Well, it's not something they are hiding. They've said that in the video. Even when you are buying it, you also be mentioned, you also be made known about that. The funny thing about it is, if you are buying Neo, then someone will have to come from the company to be able to control Neo at your house. Even when Neo was doing this kind of chores, it was clumsy, it was slow. When someone is still controlling the Neo, oh my god. Yeah, we are not going to be replaced by robots. We are too far from that. It's not happening. It's not happening now. It's too far. Maybe AI. Yeah, AI. A lot of people will be replaced in their jobs by AI, but humanoid robots, I think we are still too far from the ideal. Let me know what you think. But yeah, we are too far from being replaced by robots, and they are not taking control anytime soon. Let me see you in the next one.